How to start a digital marketing agency, a step-by-step guide. The exciting world of digital marketing agencies. If you're passionate about marketing and have entrepreneurial ambitions, starting your own agency could be an amazing journey. But before you dive in, it's crucial to understand the steps involved and the dedication it takes to build a successful agency. In this video, we'll walk you through a roadmap to get your agency off the ground, step by step. Step 1. Build your expertise and confidence. Before you start selling services to others, it's essential to hone your own digital marketing skills. This involves learning the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with core areas like SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and analytics. Staying updated. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning through courses, certifications, and industry resources. Building a portfolio. Even if you're starting out, create projects to showcase your abilities. This could involve working on personal projects, volunteering, or taking on freelance gigs. Step 2. Define your niche and services. With a strong foundation in digital marketing, it's time to carve out your agency's unique space. Niche down. Identify a specific industry or target audience you are passionate about. This helps you cater to their specific needs and establish yourself as an expert. Choose your services. Decide which services you'll offer based on your expertise and market demand. Consider factors like competition, profitability, and your team's capabilities. Step 3. Develop your business plan. A well-defined business plan serves as your roadmap to success. It should outline your mission and vision, clearly define your agency's purpose and long-term goals. Target market. Identify your ideal client and understand their needs and challenges. Marketing strategy. How will you reach your target audience and acquire clients? Financial projections. Create realistic forecasts for revenue, expenses, and profit. Step 4. Build your brand and online presence. Create a brand identity. Develop a strong brand name, logo, and visual identity that reflects your agency's values and resonates with your target audience. Build a website. Your website is your agency's digital storefront. Showcase your services, expertise, and client testimonials. Establish social media presence. Be active on relevant platforms to connect with potential clients, share valuable content, and build brand awareness. Step 5. Attract clients and grow your agency. Develop a lead generation strategy. Explore various methods like content marketing, social media marketing, cold outreach, or networking events. Deliver exceptional service. Focus on exceeding client expectations and building strong relationships. Client satisfaction is key to referrals and positive word-of-mouth marketing. Continuously learn and adapt. Stay updated on industry trends, invest in team development, and refine your strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Conclusion. Building a successful digital marketing agency requires dedication, hard work, and a strategic approach. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. By following these steps, continuously learning, and adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape, you'll be well on your way to achieving your entrepreneurial goals in the exciting world of digital marketing. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on starting a digital marketing agency, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on marketing, entrepreneurship, and more. Additional tips. Network with other professionals in the digital marketing industry. Attend industry events, join online other agencies and marketers to learn from their experiences and build relationships. Seek mentorship. Find experienced professionals in the digital marketing field who can provide guidance and support as you grow your agency. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The digital marketing landscape is constantly changing, so be willing to adapt your strategies and embrace new technologies and trends. Remember, starting a successful digital marketing agency takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right approach, passion, and perseverance, you can turn your entrepreneurial dream into a reality. Additional notes. This is a general overview of the steps involved in starting a digital marketing agency. It's important to conduct thorough research and due diligence before starting any business. Legal and financial considerations may vary depending on your location and business structure. It's advisable to consult with a qualified professional for guidance on these matters. Dear friends, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content and be part of our community. Your subscription means a lot to us and helps us grow. Thank you for your support.